Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. This is my subject today. Well, now everybody knows about this phone. Well, younger people don't know, maybe, probably don't know. Well, this is today's subject is I shot this image for a long time ago when I was in art school. I think that was one of the history of photography or something like that. And we all made pinhole camera. I used a 4x5 camera. Then I made my own pinhole camera to make this image. Shot it. This is the house we are living in, 4 guys together, and we share the house. Well, I'm gonna make something interesting image from this, and I have this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. Well, what kind of image is it gonna be? How it's gonna turn out? Some interesting, sometimes fun. Well, let's get started. Okay, I try to use watercolor image this time, and let's paint it on first. Move this empty layer in between these two. Then I go for this phone. I'm going to turn this pencil drawing type image. I want to see this too, so I'm going to change the blend mode to darken so we can see not much the line drawing, but we see this image with this. I'm going to tone this one down so we see that the density of this image. Now I'm going to start from here with watercolor round detail. Okay, let's go for it. Let me change the brush to this side. Okay, I'm going to add another layer here for this background. Now where I want to put add layer and greens. Now I'm going to merge down with this. Then again, I'm going to add another layer. Then again, I'm going to merge down. Okay, I'm going to add another layer for sky. We got some kind of color on the background and kind of yellowish. Then door was white, but now okay, about this. Then I'm gonna go this ground and layer, then now change the brush to wash soft, then a little dark dot. Let's see, turn this one down. Okay, now this pencil drawing type darken. Now I'm going to duplicate this layer. Then one is darken, just keep it this way. Then I'm going to change this one. The other one, change the blend mode to, let me tone down 50%. This hard light shows more linear light. Hard light or linear light. This is pin light. These are all same. Difference, exclusion, subtract. These are all same again. Well, about linear light, hard light, I kind of like this. Linear light, more, even though it's pan focus because of this pinhole, but linear light or hard light shows more kind of 3D effect. This telephone goes pop up more, I think. Well, a little bit hard light. Then this image is 100% hard light or linear light, either way. Then just go from top, multiply 100%. Next pencil drawing, color burn. Doesn't make much difference. Yeah, just keep it color burn on this pencil drawing type, second one. Then this is normal opacity on telephone color. Then this is green, same normal. Then this is house. Again, it's normal. Okay, I'm gonna march down this house. Then this greens and stuff. March down. So we have this painted on color. Then sky is different. Sky, it's normal. Well, I can just leave it here. Then this one is base ground. Just paint it on here. I want to add some colors on this base, or I may add another layer here, and then I want some kind of dark reddish color around here. Let's see, with watercolor, wash soft. Let me see. Yeah. Then I'm gonna add another layer. Then go blue. Okay, just a little bit turn down. Yeah, I guess that's it. This is sky. This one is just shadow here. Touch. And this is brownish color on ground. Well, I can add, the merge down to this. Yeah. Well, just a little bit different layer. And well, now I'm gonna add layer on top. Then let's see, watercolor, white 100%. Watercolor texture outside to make something watercolor taste. Okay, now I want to add some, or I'm gonna move this one, go up, so it shows here. Then I'm gonna, well, how about this one? Let's see, move up, shows some here. Then again, I'm gonna move this too. Shows here. That's interesting. Well, this is the just I made watercolor surround. Okay, well, I guess that's it for today. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea to make your own creative work, and I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day. Well, see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.